Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So, before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that you will need a cable for this and a computer. So I have one right here. The cable is already plugged into my computer. So to get started, we're gonna first turn off our device. So I'll swipe from the top right side, click on the power button and choose power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And the moment you start holding them, you're gonna grab the cable and plug it in. So I'm gonna just kind of align the... So it's not plugged in yet. There we go. So I'm gonna start holding the volume up and power button now. Plug in. In a second you will see Galaxy. When you do, let go of the power button. Keep holding volume up till we have our recovery mode visible. There we go. You can also get rid of the cable. There we go. It was only needed to get us into this mode. Now while we're in here, we will need to use our volume buttons to navigate. So volume down navigates down and up, and up. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected with that blue line. Now going over the options, we have things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Next we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, factory reset, provide cache partition, view logs, run tests, and power off. Now there's not much more to show here, so I'm just going to press power button as reboot system is already selected, and this will take me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.